In today's market, it's vital to design efficiently and reduce costs while still producing a functional, reliable PCB. However, achieving a comprehensive analysis of circuit behavior and optimizing the design is often time-consuming. Realistically simulate extensive circuit behavior to produce a dependable, cost-effective design with OrCAD PSpice Designer Plus. Quickly create the desired circuitry with seamless access to analog, digital, and advanced libraries, including models for DMIs, magnetic cores, IGBTs, and additional parameterized and standard analog parts. Efficiently build and compile custom DMIs with System C, C++, Verilog A, and Verilog AMS modeling and analysis. Accurately generate customized models for sources, switches, transformers, and more with the modeling application. For complex devices and magnetic parts, create accurate models by converting information from the device manufacturer's datasheet into simulation model parameters with the PSpice Model Editor and the Magnetic Parts Editor. Incorporate realistic input waveforms to drive the simulation by creating and editing voltage sources, current sources, and digital stimuli with the Stimulus Editor. Seamlessly place probes and perform transient, AC sweep, DC sweep, or bias point analysis directly from the schematic canvas. PSpice yields a quick and accurate simulation with real-time error and warning detection, the ability to restart the simulation at specific checkpoints, multiple CPU core support, and an auto-convergence engine. Graphical waveforms, as well as color-coded probes and numerical data displayed directly within the schematic canvas, make simulation results clear and easy to understand. Customize waveform properties and plot window for improved analysis and documentation. Interactive waveform capabilities allow for easy identification of vital signal information, including peak, transitions, minimum, and maximum measurements. Efficiently perform complex waveform measurements with built-in functions, and customize analysis results with the application of analog operations to the output variables. Transform the output results for quick evaluation of Bode plots for phase margin and gain, Fourier transforms, derivatives, and more. Accurately communicate design intent with multiple export options including probe data, text, comma-separated files, and graphical waveforms. Extensively analyze circuit behavior with the advanced simulation capabilities in OrCAD PSpice Designer Plus to optimize circuit performance, ensure reliability, and reduce costs. Performance analysis accurately simulates environmental conditions, such as temperature, to guarantee circuit functionality in the field over several simulation runs. Vary multiple design parameters during a single simulation to view the effect on circuit performance while saving time with a parametric plotter. Automatically identify the best component values to achieve the required design specifications and fine-tune design parameters with optimization. Reduce component costs by analyzing the effect of component tolerance on circuit functionality, and identify which components require looser or tighter tolerances with sensitivity analysis. With worst-case analysis, verify circuit functionality despite variations in component values by simulating the worst probable output of a circuit based on component tolerance. Take worst-case analysis a step further by utilizing Monte Carlo analysis to statistically model circuit behavior and accurately predict production yields, ensuring manufacturing success. Ensure reliability by detecting components exceeding safe operating limits with smoke analysis. For complete electromechanical system analysis, direct integration to MATLAB produces an accurate simulation for control blocks, motors, sensors, power converters, and more. Optimize your design, improve circuit performance, and achieve a comprehensive analysis of circuit behavior with OrCAD PSpice Designer Plus. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.